This is how to trade part 1. In today's video, we are going to discuss what Forex is. The term Forex is simply an acronym for foreign exchange. It involves exchanging currencies by buying and selling them at an agreed price. Forex trading is unrelated to forestry or forest, as some beginners might assume. It's actually one of the largest markets globally, with a daily liquidity of $6.6 trillion. To put this into perspective, let's compare it with the stock market. The New York Stock Exchange, the second largest market, has a daily trading volume of just $18.9 billion. Even when compared to the crypto market, with a total market capitalization of $2.64 trillion, Forex daily trading volume remains unmatched. Why are we making these comparisons? To highlight the vastness of the Forex market. You can verify these facts yourself. But what exactly is traded in Forex? It's not physical goods like jeans or shoes. Instead, we focus on currency pairs as shown in the image below. These are different currency pairs, each with its bid price and ask price. We will delve into what bid price and ask price mean in future sessions. In essence, we are constantly transacting these currency pairs in the market. We will provide more insight on how to trade them as the trading progresses. So stay tuned. In our next video, we will discuss who a Forex broker is. If you don't want to miss it, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.